Episode for high GC News. Bima Obibia Akwaba Ahadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bremo. And so you subscribe to channel idea or more than say over subscribe. The way I say over clicky the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We had a video for be uploaded when the first person I once ever can a video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now share my for so now when you be here now and somewhere else Ghana memoha I feel yimbu and somewhere abeto yapno so a year Kwame A+ MP elect for Gomua Central independent candidate what they and Simbi Abatuja and known a year Justin Kodua MP before one general secretary Eddie and Simbi Abatuja fire A+ and 7 and A+ buafu achese watu tubi edi amane eye Justin Kodua GFK na koye ensembebri na yembura nsemnu yenkohwe eye A+ ne sema wode atudwa ma eye NPP forward general secretary eye Justin Kodua eba bontin ebetutu ensembidi ma eye A+ yenhwe eye ensema eye A+ edi tudwa wase the NPP led by Honorable Kennedy Agyapong has officially approached me to discuss aligning with them in parliament. Their proposal includes several intriguing agreements, such as a commitment that they will not contest the Gomua Central parliamentary seat in 2028. Now, A+ per what they say a year MPP a year Kennedy Agyapong abweprino na twetwe komo na de wode etu ne nimu chese opesenka A+ ede no ho ebe bata a year MPP for no ewo parliament na nemu bia wode gu akwama wo kire se awane nyina wana dwen akobenkrum ne se ebe ya year 2028 general election o year Gomua Central seat no ebe ya MPP for nyade a wane be contest. Now, what was say the NDC with whom I genuinely wish to align has also invited me for a meeting tomorrow at 8 a.m. While I have friends in both the NDC and the NPP, they have to understand that I will have to disappoint someone tomorrow. Let me make this simple and clear. Deep down, my heart leans towards the NDC, but I will ultimately side with whoever has my interest at heart and provide the best offer for me and the people of Gomua Central. Now, when I said to us, I watch the say NDC for so one year one meeting a year 8 a.m. I say one also one transit at Chunkuma. No, the Chese or no, the Kunya and Kodan Humba Bata a year NDC. Now, or him or share war, Wafa, Chese, the award bar pronosono, a twasumu, I bet me a ball no any Gomua Central, no, what they no ebe bata wo. Now, A+ this handsome way to Jano a while and tend to my name the buyer now a year GFK were issue statement or the ababeto hormono. Na ni samo de betu dwano I don't share plus bufokra ma A+ koye video NHS war to be a day money a GFK da yenkohwe ye ensemo ye one general secretary ye MPP wode betu epono so yenkohwe ne nsemo so say the MPP has not met with A+, nor has it authorized anyone to convey any message to him on its behalf. A GFK in the watch say a MPP for and Yadia when share A+ then a transfer adjunct could and now say one day a message be a man will be saying from Bibiasa and see. Now I am somewhere betu Jano and a ma A+ buo fu say want to say Justin Kodua a day Sansi wing in Abetuja. Now A+ Eddie and Chichimu I watch choir a Kennedy Agyapong she no I just want to transfer between common and somewhere PP a year. A+ MP elect for Gomua Central wode and some way nyina atuja tentemara yenkora kachi na yenkohwe video a A+ ni bofu award to be man a Justin Kodua yenhwe A+ video no
my own statement be air fly around online na ya to aba ni wie no like the very day na ya to aba na de chin ye pe I had some calls from baby. Into me dana yetu abano. Adechi na na me migraine who I'm going to caucus with in parliament. Me I've made up my mind long time. But there's one person in this country that I so respect. I wish him well. I will always support. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is somebody that will be there for you in times. Opa could be NDC, go to NDC national headquarters. Could be NDC form penny for there. Who is Honorable Ken? Everybody will tell Honorable Ken is a great guy. Like he or any excesses, but Honorable Ken is a great guy, and or you'll be as Ono Kasa, you would have to listen. And you know, I received calls from Honorable Ken, and as a big man as Honorable Ken, you know, Honorable Ken is a very big man. Honorable Ken to me trying to fear if you are or crime is a member, and there's Honorable Ken of your video where I bet you I say the reason why it's here if you bet you fear the whole time. But baby, now I Reverend Usu Bempabo ni din say friend Dr. Sécret, no. Reverend Usu Bempabo ni din say on na day Vice President Bawumia ban ho fear Dr. Sécret. Dr. Sécret na Honorable Ken NDC no so say o say me ba fie na ye be ye say so on me din kuma me say on friend Dr. Sécret. Dr. Sécret say Honorable Ken say yam refie say. But Mama Honorable Ken atena fie on 3, 4, 5 occasions. I don't show up because na minim komo na wo be di no. Finally, Net2 Mucheni ye men can say now be na Akufo be say that be me mam like point to point. Me Dr. Sécret na koye. Nti yakoye no Honorable Ken as a good NPP person, as a strong NPP person, ope obi nkofo a hu odin on betumi abo am party no a omani edin on betumi ejina ma party no. I signed in community to menim. And that was the second time Honorable Ken share me discuss this issue no say opa me chopa obepe say mene NPP for ebetena e wo parliament. I'm chomuti ni. That was the second time. Me Facebook nkofo we bre na say why MP into Facebook na Facebook dey be me I'm not leaving here. Nkofo Facebook, there are the people who are my supporters who have been behind me. I'm not leaving Facebook behind. I'm always coming. I'm going to come back here to come and tell you, to come and report back to Facebook, the people who have supported me, the people who have been with me. I'm always going to come back to report to you. So just that to say, you know, once I say Honorable, well, it was as something can be guy. As I mean, maybe as some don't they done on me to like me guy and we move for those days, you know. I come maybe a nipa unya would do stage be an afi was sound your man, your money idea, yeah. Ain't you know, I went, you know, no can be kind of some, so he wants me to be with the NPP, caucus with them. There is a future in the NPP for me as a great guy on the party, and then or can't or know what will benefit his party, and that's exactly what he's supposed to do. It's, you know, okay, McCann say okay, and then he put his offer down. He put his offer on the table, and Honorable Ken was not doing this alone. Afenyo Markins is aware, because every step he has already had conversations with Afenyo. Say this is what we are doing, so and so and so. Afenyo Markins, who is the minority leader, is aware. All the leadership what parliament are aware. Dana ye can semono now chairman, party chairman nipa ewo ho. Stephen Tim nipa wo ho. And ye can some we no Honorable Ken when country catch Stephen Tim nipa no ho ne say oka catch chairman say my friend me nya no ba me ni A+ aka sem ni nyina ewie. Into who could be and who to me because and the party has no who your general secretary of the party co-position go and sit down somewhere. I am the MP elect for Bawumia Central. You are the general secretary of a party of a party that has collapsed. You are irrelevant and they are going to vote against you. Your political career has come to an end. Go and sit down somewhere. Ghana won't come home. You are a weak general secretary. You are a failed general secretary. Justin Kodua, I'm telling you, are a failed general secretary. You failed the party. Oba party now omo parliamentarians bebre wo de omo co-opposition. Anye ye John Boy crowd we need one term. My party na some mutu no. You are a failed general secretary, and it is alleged that you demanded something before you joined the campaign. Me na neje ye madam for. Intino some nya Jimmy Nwa, I will start talking matters. Naneje is my very good friend. The last time that we were I know you don't talk. Could you raise your voice problem? What I say? Naneje is my very good friend. On the national security, as many issue. I was the one who was standing behind him. Me na me den the call Captain Smart. Kennedy Agyapong the friend that comes and mean castle. So I know you. When Naneje didn't come and say what catch me, I'm telling you. So go and sit down. Don't bring yourself. Because me speedy pay. I will do things that you don't want. You don't want anybody to hear. Shut up and go and sit down somewhere. I am a member of parliament. You are a nobody. Over constituency, be organizing for. I still won in your stronghold. Aplus is an institution on my own. When your honorable can no be Kibiama say no better now. I said now me and your honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Munyi na honorable can catch them and say munyi na musuru some be menim. Obi no bet me approach me. Not even Akufo Addo. Honorable can catch them say all of you are scared to approach me. And so he is the one, oh yeah, my boss, he can approach me. That is why you guys ask him to come and approach me. Have you ever approaching me? Yes, statement, I got church or in Guasena, come on, won't find paper being fantina. Honorable can catch him or see Munina, or be a source of a name. And of course, who could be away a small boy, who bet up when him ever cancer then. Like Aplus a winning election near penny for and yet a Fred or Warren nominee, Freddie Blaine of Nabaga, who could be a small boy, who between the Mabacasa. Won't do mammy in the Mabacasa. Because who could obey you, we are saying a NPP platform, they do be a will do no. Munina, all of you your NPP platform never honor. And I did build a Mubedu be a Mudun Kwame Plus is an institution. I got up Gumo Boase since 1992. NPP meaning Kuno that I won Boase, I won Sikuma, I won German. NPP has never won there. Kwame Plus is a stronger. I say don't get MP NDC chairman Oba Gumwa Sebu Obeye Dede Bekasaya. I won like 85% of the vote. A Plus is a strong guy. A Plus is a strong guy. And I don't need NDC or NPP to do what I want to do. It's just that in penny for NPP, if you were NDC, and I showed them a lot of respect. What I said yesterday, I called Justice Sai and I asked Justice Sai that how can I want to sit alone in Parliament? Me person bought them was Parliament no more. And Justice Sai told me that he gave me his own advice, which I don't think is okay to put out here. But he gave me a very good advice. And of course, Justice Sai is one of the best lawyers in Ghana. He told me the advantages and disadvantages. He didn't say do it or don't do it, but he gave me the advantages, the disadvantages, the so and so and so, career build, all of that. And I felt like the advice he gave me was perfect. What did I say? I'm a plat. Maybe not Parliament. It's no man find show with over a statement in a plus. We have not approached him. Japan so and now me post now me you know. I told you that I want to go and sit with the NDC and so you know that Ato Forson is meeting me today and you know that the meeting by the time I meet Ato Forson office I may you know you as now can you know I'll come and disappoint you. It will say oh yeah fast. This statement na ko say na be ye nimguase ma na nimguase atumi ne wan bi wo obi anka wo be ye din no atranase. Me I'm still independent too. I'll meet people, I will caucus with somebody, but my brain in my head is independent. Nobody obi no be control Kwame Plus. So Kwame Plus is a non-conformist. I'm not going to Parliament on anybody's invitation. I'm going to Parliament because I did, because I worked hard, because God put me there, because the people of Gomwa Central put me there, because Ghanaians put me there. I'm unruly. Nobody can control. Kwame Plus is out of control. I'm doing what is best for Ghana, for Gomwa Central, and for myself. I have the bragging right. I won the election. You can cry a river. Kwame Plus won. And the street is so happy. The street is so happy. They are happy for Kwame Plus. The street is so happy. Because they have a guy in there. Go and sit down somewhere. When you go, your political career has come to an end. Young man, you're the party, without the party in the co-opposition. The youth must take over. The youth near the party, youth in Saudi go one federal church statement. Me honorable Ken, and you honorable Ken, me buno. Honorable Ken, me supporting no. Inti no to me frame me, I may make dinner quite transit with this and come on. As I come, you be more bit my friend me this and come on. Mumuhai. When you're not papa be frame me transit, or frame no, but me can't some make see yet or frame no. The offer that Honorable Ken put on the table, he went to discuss with Afenyo. Go and ask Afenyo Markins if Honorable Ken has not discussed with him. And yesterday, he got back to me. Don't joke with Aplus. Me would do level be penama teaching. Yesterday, Honorable Ken got back to me and said that almost win here, to me yet. But win the obey yaman. Be a way soon, almost a son.
omo dey say standing omo a new standing order say chere say ade we no say na committees no be say and therefore this is what he got back to me to tell me the things that I should do. We have a church statement. Say Jimmy say na sorry we face my honorable crana say Jimmy ne sakasa na here. They say my honorable we are na we feel street no too much. A friend saying NPP for I'm going to now who could be about one person catch on what and say it is not yours to decide. I can still walk to parliament and decide to go and caucus with NPP. I'll still go and caucus with NPP. I will say now what can you do about it? Okay, I want to go to parliament today and go and say to NPP, where then? Are you the speaker? Am I going to parliament on your invitation? You can't do anything about it. What can you do? I decide where to sit. Blást is part of the the second arm of government. I am part of the second arm of government. You are just a failed party, a national, a general secretary. A failed one. Acknowledge that you are failed. A failed one. I came from nowhere. Me papa being a politician, and yes, be a member, be a weak, and yes, a man and be a Kojo say, me a bad guy. Rose through the ranks like Dr. Ampari, Ghana Police Service, from normal recruit, rose to become IGP. That is coming plus. I'm rising to become the president of Ghana one day. You can't do anything about it. Look at me now. Once I move power and I'm coming into power, we will be an green, so we will be a nyansa and Kawukran would make us a kwame, be do no bra. Say no be who says say na what say. I'm more experienced, I'm a strategist, I'm more experienced than all of you at NPP headquarters. I'm more experienced because all of you at NPP headquarters without NPP, come on, do no. Me, I'm self-made. I am self-made. One man army. Kwame Plus is self-made. Come on, marry. And I can still come to parliament and sit with you, caucus with you. If I say I'm going to go sit with MPP, what can MPP do? Nothing. You just sit there and look at me, Jolie. My come to say it is that way, you know. I can come to parliament tonight and just come straight and sit with the minority. What can I do about it? And I will criticize when I will talk my mind. What are you going to do about it? You can't do anything about it. You understand? So stop writing nonsense. Kwame Plus is the MP elect for Gomua Central Constituency, and I'm going to be inaugurated tonight. And pains is running through your veins. Pains, it hurts you. Pains. This is Mr. A Plus. Came to Accra, slept in a kiosk in Dakuma Junction, worked through musician, Bibia Mayebida. Today, I'm a great guy. Oh, you think I don't know? I know. So stop misbehaving. Even with your statement, listen carefully. Let it sink into your skull. Even with that, your statement that you have released, it does not. It doesn't change anything. No. I can still decide to caucus with the NPP. I can still go and join the NPP because of Honorable Ken. Because I love Honorable Ken. I like him so much. I can still decide to go and caucus with NPP tonight. You are not part of us. You are not part of parliament. If you are a man, get up, leave NPP and go and contest an independent candidate. And come and let's say that yes, there comes the man. Who you be man? Ghana come come. When your NPP platform the aya to one and nipa go echire da na e would do abeja no kobia ko when you obia. We are make akota NPP form. Na wo no saminya akota NPP form a ye tu. Okra you be anko resign no da. Wa Jimmy ya na me fi me honorable. Ai mpamocho mo fancha me why. I won ebeko kakra ebejai. Why msere mo a. Ba mo say sorry okọ be bi ni anye ya. Facebook for MPP honorable Kwame asare obin. Mo disregard this how much then a friend saying a new one way na so where I want to go, I'm not going to tell anybody. Tonight when I walk into the chamber of parliament, I'm going to sit somewhere. Disregard Kodua's nonsense. I will decide. I'll just walk into parliament and decide where I want to sit, and that's exactly where I'm going to sit. I walk in Once the whole media no be there, Kwame Plus. So where is this guy going? This guy. Where is he going? This guy you can't predict. Unpredictable guy. Where is he going? What's the camera in your TV? Where is he going? Where is he going? Come on, man. Where is this guy going? This guy can be this guy can be something else. What's my chance in my NPP for where then? Where then? But now was you so the end of the party, no just about the chairman. Oh, Kwame. And some we do Okroma for 8 years. I'm a trust Agyapong. Now my opposition, now my sabe tramwe. And they just a party with the chairman. There's a good job party no mama. With the party in our mommy. Yes, I'm with the party no mama like Kwame. Near kiss near J fa. You guys are misro. As a Kwame Plus, easy like that. Obia make a contest. The only constituency in this country, Obia organ Hebia Bahobi. Akufo Addo Banswaim. Akufo Addo Banswaim. Or the helicopter in see you. I say look at your bab or Boas Gumwa Boase, Eba Gumwa Sebu. In those two communities now, big general or Bekan Kwame Plus I won over 85% of the vote. Are you kidding me? And you are still not afraid instead of coming to beg or releasing statements. Foolish boy, they are normal. Like as I'm a baby, I mean he's a foolish boy. I still won in these places. NPP has not won since 1992. I am one of the greatest political strategists in this country. And you think I'll wait for you to come and blow my trumpet for me? I'm blowing it myself. I have the bragging right. Come on, man. Yo, what are you talking? This is Kwame Plus. You know what I'm saying? You are hurt, all of you. What are you talking? John Mahama ba Besianze, I won in Besianze. Na me on one kasa John Mahama ni winning. I'm catching conference Montuma na Montuma JM or Menipa Montuma. John Mahama came to Besianze. He came with the whole NDC. I still won there. And you are sitting there, you are misbehaving. Instead of changing that your attitude, you are still doing guy. Shut up over there. Don't be releasing statements. Shut up your mouth. John Mahama came to Besianze. Akufo Addo came to Suaim. I said Nketia came to Obuase and Asebu. My mother, what's her name? Vice President elect Jane Nano Pukwajimai came to Abia. Samira Bawumia came to Aboso. Name them. Everybody in this country came to my constituency to ensure that I don't win. I still won. I beat all of them. And you are, don't be silly. Don't be silly. Who in Ghana didn't come to my constituency? Name one person. Everybody came. Every big man, everybody who is somebody, everybody came to ensure to campaign against Kwame Plus. NAPO came to Mpota. Bawumia came to another spot in the Crawford. John Mahama came to Besianze. Akufo Addo came to Nsuayim. Asante Bediatuo came to Obuase and Asebu. A+ still, Jena no Pukwajima came to Abia. A+ still won. Boga, I am more influential than a lot of people in this country. So you will be fortunate to have me to say that I've had a conversation with NPP and then they want me to caucus with them. Shut up your mouth. And you are going to release statement. Who are you? Who told you to release that statement? I'm going down in history as one of the biggest political strategists in this country. Go and ask Musa Dankwa. I called him at 2 a.m. I said, Musa, tell me what's going on. Maybe your house to house, kekeu. I have a research team on the ground. I enter a town. I know somebody with a friend Antaraba Mensa. Nearby I read that or say a boy where your friend is say, I come to your house, targeted. And shut up. Shut up. You have disgraced the NPP, Kodua. You have taken this big party to opposition. Shut up, unless if we have say young person a year agreement. Free party money a year agreement. Who bet my agreement? Who could find with chairman Abronye and those people? Abronye, the region man, region Asama 1 MP. You people are still talking. Mutia ya dia banyan ya ye agreement de mo abo abem on de medenya ne ye. na ya catch judge so on jail Kwame Plus and ya Kennedy Agyapong trampoline fi America ba ya nko mu jail me sa no pa no Kennedy Agyapong say Kwame me jam bi bia ma bia no bagan it no no boken no me kasa won no we bro how no boken no me can I put my personal interest aside and say I will listen to this man. Don't be silly. It is because of that man. I say Kwame, I'm stopping everything. We will see me share senators be waha me kati bibia. I will be in Ghana tomorrow morning before you go to court. And the man came just to ensure that I'm fine. Until no honorable can frame here. Say oh yeah NDC ni kwa na make council we are trying to say you have to be grateful. Go and listen to what the man has to say. But at this point, it goes beyond my personal interest and what somebody has done for me. It is in the interest of the people of Gomoa Central. That is the reason why I was having a communication with Honorable Ken. Afenyo Markins won't me find the phone and find for me because or and he has done me bad, he has done me dirty. Ono krano meneno okay, it's fine. It is honorable Ken frame is a membetie honorable Ken can some tremia na some kind of chinchin kran says as on mintia. And yes sir, you always have to be grateful to people who have done you good. You always have to be grateful. It's just that baby I'm going to say it goes beyond my personal interest. And the man has done all, he has made all the effort. He has contacted this, he has done this. He was going to ensure, say, Obenya a certain number, even all the 4 independent candidates to join you. Whether it is going to do what, no. He's also doing his part to make sure, say, party now, he will create a certain strong base foundation. Now, if a party with me, Papa ni Yegman also your concept. Papa ni yeduma also your concert. Na A+ na parliament there standing orders in my kind in be no way against Aremeyaw and I'm going to do worse. What you say? Aremeyaw no Facebook me no money ha. E bia was standing orders in bia we are going to comply by it. Bia we are going to comply by the law. Unza say me go twamiti akodan kakra. No, because I was a gentleman. Me ko parliament was a bit. O say they want to make you caso akodan. Because na a funky dread. O say not be caso come. They say me na be street for MP. It was some representing street ni here. What I say? Was some representing street in the come. But when you're busy company so. But I'm not going to change for anybody. I'm not. It's I'm going. I'll see you after the inauguration. We are going to do great for this country. We are not in to go and fight with anybody just for fighting's sake. If John Mahama is doing the right thing, we are going to support. If something is wrong, we are going to tell them that what you are doing is wrong. NDC for it is possible to send American. Say me, it's possible I can look maybe about I can go and sit with NPP tonight, or I can caucus with the NDC. I can decide what to do tonight. It has to be in my interest and in the interest of the people of Gomoa Central and the interest of Ghana. I can sit anywhere. Sitting anywhere does not change anything. Me come again any day, anyhow. I'm rather say also not less than 7 members to form a caucus. Independent, yes, 7 and can form a caucus, but we don't have the 7. So what do? We have to align. So I'm going to align with somebody. Kodua. Nonsense now has not changed my mind in any way. I'm going to listen to what my brother Ato Forson has to say. I'm going to meet Ato Meba. I'm going to listen to what he has to say. And if I listen to and it makes sense to me, I will caucus with them. If it doesn't make sense to me, I will go and sit with the NPP. You could be, I can't change anything about it. Are you electoral commission to decide who goes where? Shut up your mouth and sit down somewhere. Thank you very much. Gomoa Central. Ya jiedin. Some catch them. Say your friend. Gomoa man. Ajiwudin. Gomoa your mind. Ya jiedin. MP were guy man MP me dem ko he go man me maso na gbe mo hwe me suit me magomo so dey share the whole world. Thank you very much. God bless you all. I mean mo ye adwuma.
You waiting for waiting and some ye Kwame A+ MP elect for Goma Central in some or the two dwa Justin Korea MPP one general secretary at and some na A+ beka no nebo enjo so no so dey and some be to watch say ye MPP for share A+. Na no na A+ ababontin abetu to be the amane no na wo dey and some do na ara atoja. Mikao say so when you subscribe to channel dia bomodi an say obe subscribe san say had the latest hot nkwa and am the bro also betimi a chere wadwen afa ye and some way nyina ho e comment box ni mu mubati minkabiu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.